Nice bike, Ariane. It's a nice bike, huh?
No,
Check it out. What you got on there?
I got that Tony Hawk frame, mongoose, forks. I got that Alex trim 9-tooth.
9-tooth, man.
Eastern Medusa.
Whoa, Eastern! Oh!
Sprocket.
Oh, these pedals. Look at them spin.
Purple animal metal pedals. Only have this Tony Hawk seat.
Tony Hawk seat, man. That's how we do it nowadays. Tony Hawk.
Yeah.
Man, sticker, you know. What else you got, Ian? What else you got?
Haro bars.
Haro bar.
Dance cop stickers.
Yeah. Check that out, world.
Mongoose.
Mongoose, alright. Yeah. You got right here. What you got right here? Alright, mongoose. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for your bike check, man.
Yeah.
Pretty sweet bike. Pretty nice bike, yeah.